friends, I hope everyone is fine. I want to show you how to update macOS Sequoia to macOS Sequoia 15.1. As you can see, I'm using macOS Sequoia 15.0. So I'm trying to launch the installer. So you first have to download it. It is available in the App Store. Sorry for that. So as you can see, it is launching. The reason why it's taking long is because I don't have space on my disk, so I moved it to my SD card here. So I want to try to see if it will work. So let us give it time to open, then we can proceed with the installation. So guys, as you can see, the installer has launched. So just proceed with the normal prompts. Click continue, agree, agree again. Now as you can see, I have space. macOS Sequoia will be installed here. That is because, let me just show you, as I told you earlier, I moved macOS to my SD card. So I'll just close all these ones, then proceed with the installation. I use the stage manager, so that is why you can see some files popping up. Maybe I piled them together. Click continue, then input your Mac password, then that's it, the installation will start. So this will take quite a while, around 57 minutes or so. So I'll catch you guys once the installation process has completed. As you guys can see, the process of installing has completed, so it's requesting me to restart. So we shall proceed and do the restart. So but unfortunately guys, I'll not be showing the other parts because it's so straightforward, and unfortunately I also don't have a camera to record that part. So I'll just restart, then we shall see if it the process is successful or not. See you guys on the other side. So I'm using my phone to record this section. As you guys can see, the installer bar, that is the progress bar, is progressing well. So what we'll need to do is just wait and see if we shall manage to successfully update or upgrade to, that is a 15.1 Sequoia. So I'll not record the entire part, but I'll be recording the important sections so that you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has selected the macOS installer by itself. That is why I told you there is no need to worry. It will automatically select the right partition to go to. So as you can see, the verbose screen, that is the readable text that you guys can see on your screen, which is always essential for the debugging process. That is why I always leave the verbose mode on, so that if my Hackintosh goes into panic or it fails to boot up, I'll point out the problem and know exactly what to fix. So right now it is rebooting. Let us wait and see. Sorry for the shaky video. I'm using my phone to record. I hope you are able to see it. As you can see, the process has resumed. So one thing to note guys is that if it pauses for quite a while in a similar section, like the flash section that we were just a few minutes ago, do not hasten to restart or to force reboot your Hackintosh. Just give it time until you see something very unusual. But if something unusual has not occurred, don't be in a rush to restart it, because there are some instances where it takes quite a while to pick up the process. So that is what I wanted to put across, so that you guys cannot quickly jump into conclusion that the process has failed. So it is progressing well. Remember to like, subscribe and share the video. By liking the video, you'll be helping me with the YouTube algorithm, so that my videos can reach a greater audience. That will also help the channel grow and to also sustain it. So thank you for those who have already subscribed, and if you've not done so, please consider subscribing. Thank you again. So it's rebooting again. As you can see the Lenovo logo. If you guys are new here, mine is Lenovo X260. You can check it there. Now you see it's booting into a Hackintosh. Fingers crossed, hope everything is okay, because the installer option has now disappeared. That means the installation has been successful, but fingers crossed. Let us wait and see, hoping it will boot successfully. If your Hackintosh mouse is not mouse, the touchpad is not working, remember to check out the video. I'll attach it in the description, so remember to check it out. Let the installer complete its thing, then we shall be good to go. Booted again. As you can see the Lenovo logo. So let us wait and see if it will manage to successfully boot into our Hackintosh. There you go, you can see WinLinMac. Let us again wait and see if it will boot up. So my phone storage is warning, so I think I'll just have to end this part here, then we shall see if everything will be well. My phone storage is warning and it will be ending the video soon, so I'll just have to end it by myself, then I'll wait and for the installer to continue, then see what will happen. So the Hackintosh has successfully restarted and done the upgrade and the updates. So let me show you about this Mac. As you can see, now we are running macOS Sequoia version 15.1. macOS Sequoia version 15.1, as you can see there. So we have successfully managed to update from macOS Sequoia version 15.0 to 15.1. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll try and use it, then tell you if there is anything of concern or if there anything enjoyable about it. I'll let you guys know. But until then, stay safe guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Signing out.